Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? Just want to say hello to the past couple of subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. I was trying to aim for 1,000 by the end of the year, but I don't think it's possible. I'm not too sad about it. I know I can't probably end up getting there eventually, but my new target is 900 by the end of the year. Fingers crossed. I am on 879 or 78, 878. So I've got like 21, 22 more to go by, well, 3 weeks. So fingers crossed I can actually hit that milestone. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. My name is Matt, and I'll bring you a mixture of variety of videos. I don't know what I was going to say then. I do makeup videos, I do shopping hauls like this video, I do daily vlogs, I do travel vlogs, I do anything I like to watch myself. So I hope that you like me enough to subscribe. So did I even tell you that this is a shopping haul? I went to Home Bargains. This is a shopping haul. More of that like cleaning haul. I love like winter scents and festive scents and autumnal scents. So I bought 2 bags full of cleaning stuff because once January hits, it's no longer available, and that's one sad person I am. So I may have bought a bit too much than I actually need, but at least I've got enough to last until next November. So let's get into it. Thumbnail. So I'm going to start off with candles. I know I said cleaning, but I bought candles. I cannot go to Home Bargains, and I just realised I'm very active with my hands. I cannot go to Home Bargains without buying a candle, or at least looking at the candles. So, first one is the Wickford & Co. Warm Apple and Cinnamon. I've got the big jar. £2.99, baby. Oh, I love when I sniff. Sniff it. Go on, you know you want to. Yeah. Warm Apple and Cinnamon. £2.99. Then I bought another Wickford & Co. candle. This is mulled wine. Okay. I thought it smelled stronger than that in the shop, but it's still a bit there, but it smells a bit sweet and not spicy. Then, you know what? I bought 2 of these. Where are you going? I bought 2 of them, different scents. And I've been after this style for so long because they are a copy of the, I think it's Bath and Body Works from America. And I know you can get them in Next now, but they're still quite costly. So, first candle, it is the gingerbread jingle. It's the gingerbread jingle. And it's just so cute. Oh, I want to lick it. Why do they make candles good enough that you just want to eat them? Oh, so, I think these was £2.99 as well. Let's have a look at the receipt. And that's just the card receipt. Okay. If they are not £2.99, I will put the price that I think they actually are on the screen now. So I've got that one. The second one I got, it is the Fluffy Marshmallow. And I just had to pick this one up because I watched my friend's video, Natasha Jackson. What is wrong with my speech today? Natasha Jackson. Oh, I'm getting angry at myself now. Natasha. So I watched her video and she's got this one, and I was like, you know what? If she likes it, I'm gonna buy it. So I went out and bought it. So. Oh, it's just like roasting marshmallows. Oh, that is nice. So I picked up this one as well. So Natasha, thank you. You don't know that you influenced me to buy this, but yeah, I bought one. Go and check her channel out as well. So I'm going to show you something that's not like cleaning or candle related. So these are Mackey's of Scotland toasted marshmallow flavoured toffee coated popcorn. Now that is a mouthful. So next is an unpopular opinion. I have bought elbow grease scrub mates. Now, yes, these are similar to the scrub daddies, and yes, I have bought scrub daddies in the past, and that was the best thing since sliced bread. But then I discovered these. I much prefer these than a scrub daddy. They are cheaper. I think they are 99p, and I bought two. More ones on its last legs now, so I picked up some more. They are great. I love them. They last longer than the scrub daddies as well. I love these. So elbow grease scrub mates. Go and get some. Oh, I found the other receipt. Okay, that was $2.49. These were $2.49, not $2.99. That's cheap. Okay, I may have to go back to see if they've got any more in different scents. So $2.49. So one bag down. So on to some cleaning products. I've picked up the Cedar and Oak Febreze. Not even too sure what it smells like. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, that's definitely a bedroom one. Okay, that's a bedroom one. Then I picked up some Flash Sparkling Home Spray Wipe Done Sugar Plum Delight Flash Spray. Now let's give this a sniff. Oh, that's nice. So I can get. How do you get the back on? That's a bit wonky. That's. Did I just break it? Oh, I think it's on. So I can get my kitchen smelling nice. Then for my hobs and like the harder surfaces, I've got some Sif cream, but this is Winter Sparkle. Never really seen Sif in like a scented formula before, so I got quite excited when I seen this. Oh, that's a warm scent. I like that. There's too many scents in the air now. I'm getting a bit coo, coo, coo. What was that? Moving on. So then to match the Sif cream, I bought a Sif spray. This is in the same scent, but this is ultra fast. Don't know what ultra fast about it is. I don't know what ultra fast. I don't know what is. I don't know what's ultra fast about it. That's what I'm trying to say. But I picked up that. Multi-purpose, kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Safe for food preparation areas. So got the spray version. So then for the toilet, I picked up a Domestos toilet blocky thing. This is in Winter Sparkle, so it is in the same scent as the Sif. Yeah, I don't know what else I can say about it. It's for like the rim thing. And oh, that nearly fell. I'm down to my last item. But the last item isn't from Home Bargains, so I can't really call this a Home Bargains haul because there's one item not from Home Bargains. I feel like a fraud. Am I a fraud? Please forgive me. I'm a bit tired, as you can tell. I'm very dramatic. So, last but not least, is something from Marks and Spencer's. And I know, me and Marks and Spencer's, they're not in the same. I bought toilet paper. Well, that's upside down. I bought toilet paper. I went into Marks and Spencer's to buy a gift for somebody, and I noticed I've got festive toilet paper, so I picked it up. This was only like £3, like £2.99, and I was like, you know what? So it's actually got like holly on. Can you see? I have never experienced wiping my bum with Marks and Spencer's toilet paper before. So this year is going to be the year. So I bought some. It's quite sturdy as well. It's not flimsy. So by the looks of it, I am judging a book by its cover, and I am impressed. Um, Not really going to do a show and tell with this because it's toilet paper, and I'm sure you don't want to see that. And I'm sure, oh well, I really hope YouTube wouldn't let me upload something like that. So, gonna swiftly move on and end this video. So, this video was a hot mess. If you're still watching, then thank you. And yeah, I am going to enjoy my candles. So thank you, Natasha, for the recommendation of Fluffy Marshmallow. And I really want to go back to buy some more if they was $2.49. I know they do all the scents. So yes, thank you for watching. I hope to see you all in my next video. Please hit that like button. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And yes, as I said, I hope to see you all in the next video. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul, and stay sassy.